Welcome to CreamSoda's practice management solution. In this quick demo, I will guide you through updating your organizational settings, ensuring your business is compliant, professional, and fully optimized for client engagement. Let's see how John Wilson can 1. Upload his company logo, 2. Provide the physical location of his clinic to ensure emails comply with local privacy laws, 3. Select the privacy law applicable to his country, and 4. Customize workflow tracking for his company's care process. To update this information, start by navigating to the left menu bar and clicking on More Options. Scroll down and select Organization Settings. Then click Update Organization Settings button on the Organization Settings page. Let's start by uploading your company logo. Click the green Upload icon. Select your desired image. Click Open to update it. Next, provide the physical location of your clinic. This step is essential for ensuring your emails comply with local privacy laws. Including your business location helps your emails avoid spam filters and land directly in your clients' inboxes. Now select privacy law applicable to your region. Whether it's GDPR, PIPEDA, or another regulation, CreamSoda will guide you to remain compliant with the laws that apply to your business. If you're using CreamSoda's care workflow to manage your client journey, for example, tracking when a client registers, walks into your clinic, or completes a session, you can customize what you track by updating the deal resource name field. For instance, if you're tracking client appointments, you might rename this field to Session to better reflect what you're managing throughout the workflow. Once you've made all the necessary updates, click Edit. And that's it. Your CreamSoda account is now set up to help your practice comply with local privacy laws, ensure your emails reach your clients without landing in spam, and customize workflows for a tailored client experience. Thank you for watching. We hope CreamSoda helps simplify your practice management and elevate your client relationships. See you in the next demo.